How to clear search suggestions on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the History and Website Data section and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Choose a time frame from here. For example, All History. Then, tap on Clear History below. You have now successfully cleared all your history on Safari. Following these steps, you can easily clear search suggestions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.